and then his portion comes. So I did that design of the opera because he wanted to give some dreaming touch to the song. And I said, okay, let's do that. It's something innovative, something new. And he said, people from Assam always they like innovation and new things because they said we are like bachon ka dil, like me. He said because we are very good-hearted. And that's amazing. I saw you were mourning him still now after 1 month, after 7 days. I was on the flight coming from Mumbai yesterday night, and there was a guy from Assam, and I said, why are you coming here? I said, because of Zubin. He was still crying, and he was not even his relatives or someone. He was just a random person from this land. And I just realized how much he gave to you people and how much big-hearted you people are, which I will never find in USA, I will never find in Europe. Even when I shooted, इतना चार्ड में Assamese लोग है, जैसे family even set par और this feeling of दिल से चीज़ बनाता है. This is something amazing that you should preserve because Zubinda gave you the example. And just remember always that. Don't lose this always.
One more thing. आपका इतना अच्छा friend है. Whenever you met him, whenever he met you, what did he said about his wife Garima? Because
he was so in love with Garima. I remember कि पहले टाइम मैं स्टेज पे थी ना, तो मेरे पहले टाइम this Assam पे थी, तो I saw him. He looks like Indian with round eyes and all. So I saw कि छोटा सा dancer भी था जैसे Chinese आँख के लिए. So I said, but are these people Chinese? They don't look Indian because Bombay पे कुछ आँखें ऐसा नहीं है. And he told me, no, there are so many अलग tribal Assam पे था, and they are not Chinese, they are beautiful like Japanese. See my wife there, she's so beautiful, she is like my little Japanese, but more beautiful than Japanese. Yeah. And he was having this light in his eyes when he mentioned Garima, and he said, he has been with me in the good and in the bad times, and he was always strong, she's my tigress. And actually Garima was so helpful. He did my dress. She's such an amazing designer.